Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on pairing the Huawei Band 8 with an iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by turning on the watch by pressing and holding down on the side button until Huawei appears on the screen. When the languages appear on the screen, tap to choose the language that you would like your watch to be in. You can tap Use QR Code and pair your watch by scanning the QR code with your phone, or you can download the Huawei Health app and pair it through the app. To download the app, open up the App Store on your phone and search for Huawei Health. Download the app and then open it. Allow or disallow the notification permissions. Tap Next and then agree to the permissions. Tap Devices from the bottom menu bar. Then tap Add Device at the top of the page. You will now have to create a Huawei account, or log in if you have an account already. Tap Next, then tap Agree. Tap Let's Go and turn on the health permissions that you would like to allow. Then tap Allow, or tap Don't Allow if you would not like to allow any. Tap Devices from the bottom menu bar and then tap Add Device. Tap Connect when your phone finds your watch. Tap the tick on the watch screen to confirm the pairing. Then tap Pair on the pop-up on your phone. Allow or disallow the permissions depending on your preference and then tap Done. Your watch is now paired and connected to your phone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei Band tips and tricks.